First the baby turns over, holds the neck, okay, then pushes himself on his feet, learns to crawl, sit up, stand up, take the first steps, walk, run, then skip and dance. Motor hand grasp also, learns to eat the food, then holds the chalk, then starts to paint, then gets that control over it. These are motor development, okay, physical development. Now, similarly, there is the mental development, and these are the stages. From birth to 3 to 4 years is the sensory motor. You have to only senses, what you understand through the senses and what you understand through the movement. That is the thinking stage. After that is the concrete level. What they see in front of them, they believe. They do not understand, they don't understand future, they don't understand the past, what is not there, they don't understand. So it is very easy for the child to, when a thing is out of his sight, he thinks that toy is lost forever. So it is so easy, a child is not, he has something in his hand and you don't want him to have it. So you give it to me, he refuses to give it to you. So you quickly take it. Once it is out of his sight, he really thinks it's gone forever. He is not got to the stage when he knows, if I saw a thing 5 minutes ago, it has got to be there. He doesn't look for a lost toy. He has not understood that if a thing was there, it has to be there somewhere. I may not see it. This is the concrete stage. Okay? What is in front of you, you understand. The actual perception, I understand. Okay? I give meaning to the sensation and that becomes perception, but the sensation has got to be there. Not without the sensation, I don't have a perception of it. And at that time, the language has to mediate. Only if the language is mediating at this particular stage, will a child go on from this stage to the ideation stage. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? From the concrete stage that he's thinking of, if you want him to go further into this pre-operational stage, there has to be a mediation with language. So language is so important for mental development. At that level, at that particular stage of this thing, the appropriate language has to be there for that child. That is why it is so important that the deaf child doesn't miss that stage, is given the hearing aid so he can hear, and the spoken language is there. Spoken language is a step towards ideation. Without the thing being there, I can talk to you about it and you will think about it. Isn't it? But through language, if that language is not there at that stage, it becomes only signs or something, they just don't go on. Their thinking remains so very, what shall I say, concrete, inflexible. So it is an extremely important stage to take the child from concrete, first the sensory motor, from sensory motor to concrete operation. There also mediation of language, and from concrete to pre-operational. Extremely important with the mediation of language. And if that stage is taken properly, then later on the cognitive activities, abstraction, become relatively easier. That is 1 or 2. From there we give them the hearing aid, so constantly they are exposed to sound, language. That's why I tell you, to the baby, normal baby you talk so much, to the deaf baby you talk that much. Okay, meaningfully in their present tense. Okay, and so this is the language mediation. From there, the concrete operation stage, you go on to the pre-operational. From pre-operational, you go on to the, later on, fully operational. You don't need symbols and things like that. Now, one of the experiments was done. Okay, if you ask a child, you take a long, these experiments have been done. You take a long beaker and you take a short beaker. Okay, short fat beaker and one long tall beaker. And in that, you have put one bowl, this thing, you have put water. Okay? From that water, in front of the child, you pour it, the whole thing from one to another into that. Okay? Then again you fill the long beaker with the water in it. Water, juice, sand, whatever it is, you fill it. And then you ask the child, in front of him only, you have filled that long beaker, you have poured it into the short fat beaker, again you have filled the long beaker, and you ask the child, which beaker has more sand or more water? He will say, the long one. In front of him, he has seen that he hasn't got that mental flexibility, he hasn't got to the stage. See, it was the same beaker that sand was poured into it. And again the same amount. So it must be the same amount. He doesn't have that skill to do this mental manipulation, a child of that age. When the sun is setting, you ask the child, where's the sun? So where is the sun gone? Where is the sun gone? Why this? Even the primitive societies, they had these legends. You ask them, the sun has set. Where has the sun set? Where is it gone? So it has gone into the netherworlds. Things like that. And then it is gone. It's gone. Gone where? You don't know. And then tomorrow morning, where does it come from? So you have those myths that it goes into the netherworld and it does this, and you have all those stories. The primitive, myths and folklore of the primitive people. That is called animalistic thinking. So even when in the evolution of the race, the primitive people did what we man, as a man, in our evolution, in our thinking stage, we were not thinking like this a million years ago. We have gone through that animalistic stage. So our folklore is important when you are studying the history, pre-history of man. Our folklore gives you this kind of, very little difference between man and animal. Man was just emerging. Thinking was developing. It is this stage, that animalistic thinking. The child goes through the evolution of the race is parallel. The child's growth, mental development, parallel to the evolution of the race. You have to understand this. It's only, and later on only, if, suppose, these are the words. Suppose it were so. Suppose. Now suppose. First I must know the experience in the concrete. And then I have to suppose. Suppose I have a car which can fly. Needs a lot of mental manipulation. No other species can do this. Only children can do it.